Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Certain people sneeze when exposed to bright light due to a genetic trait called the photic sneeze reflex. Bright light triggers signals in the brain that accidentally cross wires with the sneeze response, causing an involuntary sneeze. Around 18 to 35% of people experience this harmless but surprising reflex.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.